So yesterday I had shown you how you can import the turtle, change its color, change its shape, and move forward and move left. So today I'm going to show you how you can draw more shapes and some special codes too. So for doing that we have to import the turtle first, and we have to name the turtle, that's Fred. Now you see the turtle graphic skin has appeared, and now I'm going to change the shape of the turtle. For that we have a command called fred.shape, and you see it has changed its shape. Now we are going to change its color, and never forget to put this double quotes right here. And now I'm going to show you how you can draw a circle. For drawing a circle we have a command called fred.circle, and how much number of pixels in diameter you want. First we'll write fred.circle, open the bracket. I want it 90 degree in circumference, and now when you click enter, see it has made a circle. And now we have to reset it. That means we have to clean the whole screen. For that we have a special command called fred.reset, and open the bracket and close it. And now you see it has resetted everything. The whole screen is clear, and it has also changed its color. So I'm going to change its color again. And it has changed its color. Now I'm going to show you how you can draw a rectangle. For drawing a rectangle, first you have to move 100 pixels forward. So fred.forward, open the bracket, write it. Let us move 100 pixels forward. Now we have to turn left 90 degrees. And again make it move forward 50 pixels. And again turn left. And again make it go forward 100 pixels. And again turn left. And again move forward 50 pixels. So now you see it has made a complete rectangle. So now I'm going to show you how you can draw square faster. So you all have seen we have to write 4 commands for drawing a square. But now I'm going to show you how you can draw it faster. So for that we have a command called for I in range. And a square has 4 sides, so we write 4. And don't forget to put this column after this, after 4. And then we have to write the common square command. It is for fred.forward. But then before doing all this, first you have to reset the screen. Fred.reset. Open and close the brackets. Let's clear up the screen. Now we are going to do that command for I in range. And don't forget to write the 4 inside the brackets. And now we have to write the common command used for drawing the square. Fred.forward and fred.left. And now you should press enter 2 times. And now you see it has made a square. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please share and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.